DP, Chief Engineer, Offshore to Embark, $350 per day on board, and a huge fleet ship owner, 350 ships. We're talking to work for the Congo offshore. We need a 12 months experience, anchor handling, tax supply ships, and then DP maintenance experienced, $350, whatever nationality. The flag of the ships is mostly Liberia, so even Africa or even Europe or even whatever country that really complies with this experience is very important to realize. This is 60 days on off rotations, and that if you are from fishing fleets or if you are from other type of non-DP fleets, you can also apply, because we have many ships that don't require the DP. We have passenger supply ships, PSVs also. So we have many offshore fleet, this ship owner, 350 ships, and it is a possibility, to move and promote within the company and later get your DP certificates. Apply urgently. Thank you very much indeed. And I repeat, any nationalities. Could be Filipino, Indian, Sri Lankan, Spanish, Ukrainian, Russian. It could be any nationalities, and very good English. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. Like and subscribe.